Today we're going to do an ab workout in the bed. Your abs are like one of the largest muscles. It's hard to get intact and keep intact. So the more that you exercise and work on your abs, the more toned and buff you'll be. Also, if you think that it worked for you, please share it with your friends and your family so that they can get their abs intact for spring. You know, we're going to all be out of quarantine. Hey, hopefully by next spring. And we won't be wanting to be right shorty, guys. So anyway, let's get to the video.
First, we're going to do leg raises for 45 seconds.
Time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up a window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, in this I know how to window, cause it's just my habit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take 5 deep breaths. Next, we're going to do scissors straight up and down for 45 seconds.
I'm good, giving no compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habit.
Next is ab bites, 45 seconds.
Like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits, just my habits. I can't describe it, and she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Get it right, I still love you on my side, staying night after night.
Hip raises are next.
Cause you're mine, cause it's just my habit, I can't describe it, and she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits, just my habits, I can't describe it. Like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
Breathe for 5 seconds. Now we're going to do crisscross scissors, 45 seconds.
You thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Whew. So guys, do this every day in the bed to build your core strength as well as to build your abs. Yeah, try it. Please like, share, comment. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave in the comments if this worked for you. Try for at least 7 days to see, if it worked for you.